Today, we're covering 3 essential points about minimalist travel that can completely transform your travel experience. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first trip abroad, packing light can significantly enhance your journey. Now, you might be thinking, minimalist travel? That sounds restrictive, but trust me, it's quite the opposite. It's about maximizing your freedom and minimizing unnecessary baggage. Packing light is about bringing only the essentials, allowing you to move freely, explore new destinations without the hassle of heavy luggage, and truly immerse yourself in the travel experience. So, let's dive into the 3 key points that will help you pack light and experience more on your next adventure. The first step to minimalist travel is mastering the art of packing versatile clothing. This means choosing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Did you know that by packing just 10 pieces of clothing, you can create over 30 different outfits? The key is to select neutral-colored basics like a pair of black, blue or brown pants, a white t-shirt, a denim shirt, and a versatile cardigan. You can then add pops of color with a scarf or a statement accessory. Remember, layering is your best friend when it comes to minimalist packing. A simple t-shirt can be transformed into a stylish outfit with a scarf, cardigan, and a light jacket. Not only does this strategy save space in your luggage, but it also eliminates the stress of overpacking and having to make tough decisions about what to wear. So, before your next trip, take some time to plan your outfits and pack strategically, focusing on versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched for any occasion. Now let's talk about toiletries. We all need them, but they can quickly take up valuable space in our luggage. The solution? Travel-sized toiletries. Using travel-sized toiletries not only saves space, but also complies with airline regulations, making your travel experience smoother. You can find travel-sized versions of almost everything: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, sunscreen, you name it. And here's a pro tip: invest in some reusable travel-sized bottles. This way you can refill them with your favorite products from home, saving money and reducing plastic waste. Another space-saving hack is to use solid toiletries like shampoo bars and conditioner bars. They last longer, are TSA friendly, and eliminate the risk of spills. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to packing light. By making conscious choices about your toiletries, you can free up valuable space in your luggage and avoid those pesky overweight baggage fees. And speaking of making your life easier, if you're enjoying these minimalist travel tips, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve people's lives. In today's digital age, there's no need to weigh yourself down with bulky physical documents and books. Switching to digital documents can save you from carrying bulky folders and also ensures you have backups in case of loss. Scan your passport, visa, tickets, and other important documents and store them securely in the cloud. This way, you can access them from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. The same goes for books and entertainment. Instead of carrying heavy guidebooks and novels, download them onto your phone or e-reader. Think about all the space you'll save by simply going digital. Plus, having digital copies of your documents provides peace of mind in case of loss or theft. You'll always have a backup readily available. So embrace the digital age and lighten your load by going paperless for your next trip. We talked about packing versatile clothing, using travel-sized toiletries, and embracing digital documents. Remember, packing light allows you to experience more without the burden of heavy luggage. You'll be able to move more freely, explore more spontaneously, and truly immerse yourself in your travels. Start implementing these tips on your next trip and experience the freedom and joy of minimalist travel. Safe travels.